Mu butumwa bweye obuhwirweyo oryo muhwezi wa spika w'ishengyero ry'ihanga Right Honorable Thomas Tayebwa aha mukoro gw'okwemeka Pastor Samuel Kajoba na mukuru w'ekanisa Seventh-day Adventist omu Uganda omwebembezi w'ihanga His Excellency Yoweri Kaguta Museveni asiimire abacwanga ahabw'okuteeka amaani omu bintu nk'ebyamagara hamwe n'ebyobwegyese omu ihanga ekintu ekihweriire gavumenti hamwe n'abantu.
The SDA Church is responsible for saving very, very many lives in Greater Bushiri and through Nchwanga Hospital. Some of the best engineers now we are getting in this country are from Bugema. I think VC, if you can check at any time, I have around 5 students I'm paying for to Bugema, including my own.
Mwebembezi w'ihanga hoona akyorekire ngu edini ya Seventh-day Adventist ekozire kihango mu kubangura abantu kura bari abavunaanizibwa omu buri kimwe kyona eki barikukora omu ihanga.
Development without values of our people, without strong institutions of the family, tetuja kumarako. It will be anchored on nothing. So we want to thank the church and the SDA in particular, because today is your day, for nurturing citizens who are not only honest but also hardworking and God-fearing.
We Pastor Samuel Kajoba oyemekirwe nka mukuru w'ekanisa Seventh-day Adventist mu Uganda agizire ngu orugendo rwe rw'obuheereza tihabwa amaani gye konka okukunda Ruhanga nikyo kimuhikiza aha.
I stand here not because of personal merit but because Christ has enabled me. If he has counted me faithful, it is by his grace alone. If he entrusted me with responsibility, it is for his missions alone.
Ayongere asima President Museveni habw'okukuuma n'okwenegeza obugabe bw'abantu kuramya nk'oku barikwenda omu Uganda.
Through you, twagala okwebaza, also pass our appreciation to the President of the Republic of Uganda and the entire government for the freedom of worship and religious liberty which prevails in this country. It is because of this freedom, it is because of this liberty that the Seventh-day Adventist Church in Uganda is able to fulfill the mandate given to this church of preaching.
Omukoro ogu guhikirweho abantu batari bamwe na bamwe kandi omwebembezi w'ihanga His Excellency Yoweri Kaguta Museveni ahireyo omuganda gwa milioni 50 omu sente za Uganda. Makuru aga gashakwa Ivan Nyesaga omuri Kampala.